it's Demo Donna here with Queen & Company, and thanks so much for watching. Today I am going to be showing you the Great Outdoors kit and all the fantastic goodies involved. And then we are going to be creating this adorable camper card. This is a 5x5 shaker card, and I am so excited to walk you through step by step as well as show you everything included in this fantastic kit. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment below if you have any questions. Before we get started on our shaker card, I just wanted to show you everything that is included in this kit. The Great Outdoors shaker kit not only comes with all of these amazing goodies, but you also get a die guide that's going to show you how to create your camper, cabin, lantern, tent, campus, campfire, and your mountain range. So you've got your 7 toppings, your 4x6 stamp set with the clear stamps, your Great Outdoors 6x6 paper pad, really beautiful coordinating papers to create your fantastic cards. You've got your foam and acetate pack, which come with 3 of each element for all 7. So you can make 3 shakers per foam refill pack included in the kit. And then last but not least, you have your 28 steel dies. So all of these goodies are available in this kit. You also have a couple add-ons that make creating your shakers even more exciting. You have your outline dies, which create that back of each of your shakers. You have the solids that match perfectly with your decorative paper pad. And then you also have the epoxy dots. This is a coordinating epoxy dot set. You get 4 different packs that go just perfectly with your Great Outdoors kit. All right, let's get on to our card. I am using the camper from the Great Outdoors kit. That's what I'm missing. So next what I'm gonna do is from foundation die number 10, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this really fun die cut, which can also look like a giant sunshine. And I am applying that hanging over my card. I am going to take my scissors. I found when you are cutting off items that are hanging over, it's best to use a larger pair of scissors. So there is my sunshine. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some clouds. These adorable clouds are from foundation die number 9. So again, I will flip over my card and just trim that off. I feel like it really creates a really fun aesthetic and a pleasing look to the eye when you have items hanging off your cards. A fun little thing to play with your die cuts with. Okay, so next we are going to add some mountains. I am going to be using the mountains. I've got 2 of them, so I've created the shaker, but I didn't create the shaker, take that back. I have my outline die, and then I've got the decorative die, and then the cute little mountaintops that come with it. So I am just going to make sure that is nicely adhered to my base. Sure glue, which would be smart, much easier than trying to add my little rolly. So I'm just gonna add a very thin line as if I'm creating a shaker, but instead, it's gonna be my background. So I have my really cute mountain range in my background. And I am going to take my card base. There we go. Just like that. Trim off what is hanging over my edge. And then I'm gonna use, this is the negative. So this piece that I glued the little snow caps to is the part that pops out of the center right here. So I just want to show you, I'm using all my bits here, which is really fun not to waste. This mountain here, and then this one right here. And most of this is going to be covered up by my camper. I'm just creating a really fun background. Flip that over, trim that off. So easy. And now I've got this really fun continuous background for my adorable camper. Now the last thing we are gonna do in terms of our background before I actually create my camper shaker is add some trees. I cut out a whole bunch of these trees. I just love them. They're so cute. You get the 2 different sizes in your kit. And now we are gonna layer some on. There we go. Again, a really fun little background by just layering on some cool additional elements. Scooch my trees over, and now we are gonna create our camper. And I am using the Great Outdoors solids as well as the decorative cardstock. Okay, to create our adorable camper shaker, I already went ahead and pre-cut everything out. I have my base here. I'm gonna peel off that protective layer. Layer that on, and this beautiful chevron yellow paper is from the Great Outdoors paper pad. Pop out that center. And now we've got our area to create our shaker. I'm gonna add the orange, that's really funny. Some of the really cute orange matte pearlies, some of the yellow sprinkles. I'm gonna do some of the blue sprinkles. And then last but not least, I am going to add in some of the yellow diamonds. There we go. Got a lot going on in my camper. My camper is filled just the way I like it. Okay, I'm gonna peel off this protective backing, just like so. Gonna take my acetate, layer that right over. And now I've got a really cool, I kind of like to mix it after I get that acetate piece on. Now I'm gonna take my sheer glue, apply a thin layer of sheer glue. There we go. Now with your camper decorative die, this one here, you'll notice there is a little space left on the bottom there, even when you go all the way to the top, and that is to apply your hitch, just like so. So the hitch goes right on that sheer glue, so make sure you get that adhesive all the way to the edge, which I did not. So I'm coming back in, a little extra adhesive. We want our hitch to stay. If our camper comes off the hitch, that is very bad. Very, very bad. Okay, stick my little... Now you can see I have the tire here, and then this little dot inside the tire is from the compass. So that is that little circle, and I just went ahead and cut out a little gray dot from my compass. And we're gonna add this guy because he goes next. Add a little sheer glue for our fun little stripe of excitement. Okay, and this lines up perfectly right on your camper. So just straighten that out. Luckily it is wet adhesive, so you do have a little time to wiggle that around. And then there we go. Now I can add my door. Okay, there we go. Voila. Now you've got this adorable little window, and it comes with a little window shade, which is very cute. And I just layered it up with the yellow and the blue. Having all of these pieces is you can play around. You can add your 1 or 2 shades. You can do all sorts of different things. So now my adorable camper is finished. And you can see I loaded it, stuffed it full with shaker bits. And now I wanted to add from foundation die number 10, just a little banner on my camper. So I am going to add, I may or may not use all the stars. So I'm just gonna add a little drop to each star. And I just went ahead, these come nice and straight. Here is a sample. So when you cut them out, they come nice and straight. This is the die cut. And I just simply curled up. And there you have it. Adorable little camper. And now we just need to add it to our little scene here. And like I said, a lot of that background is gonna get covered up. That's why I didn't go crazy with the trees there. And gosh, we lose that whole middle mountain. But that's okay. We could even go down, but I am going to stick it right there. But before I do, I'm gonna add our Another Year of Adventure Awaits. And simply, I had this on my stamp block. I inked it out with the lighter ink, and then I just went in with my little ink pad and I did that darker color. So a really simple technique. Got our stamp saying. Now I'm going to, I think we are gonna use that as our base now. Take some of my sheer glue again, and I want to make sure I get up on the corner so it doesn't peel off my page. Now we've got a good amount of adhesive. Make sure I know where I'm setting it down. Very cute. I am going to take some, these are the fantastic epoxy dots that are a great add-on for this kit. There we go. I can add some more bling in my sunshine. It's a big open space, but I love how this little camper turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day filled with adventure. Bye-bye.